Irudhi Sutru Tamil movie summary. Prabhu Selvaraj Aditya, Adi, Tomar is a talented yet failed boxer who, despite being very gifted in boxing, falls victim to the dirty politics in the boxing association. Due to this, he loses his chance to go to the 1996 Summer Olympics. 15 years later, he is a government coach for the National Women's Boxing Training Academy but is always extremely angry with the lethargic attitude of boxers and frustrated with the partiality in selection. Due to his constant rift with the association head Dev Khatri, he is falsely charged with sexual harassment in Delhi and gets transferred to Chennai to identify and develop new women boxers. Despite the very poor infrastructure, Prabhu Adi manages to find natural talent in a roadside fish seller named Zheel Madhi, who he notices while she is thrashing the judges during her elder sister Lakshmi, Lux's tournament. Ignoring Lux, who has been boxing for 8 years to get a sports quota government job, Prabhu Adi offers to pay and train Madhi for a few hours daily. Unfortunately, the two do not get along due to Adi's ruthless training methods and Madhi's aggressive nature. As a result, Madhi intentionally loses a local match. Adi later asks Lux and Madhi's parents, Samikannu and Damayanti, to send them to stay in a hostel with him so that their daughters can work hard on training. Madhi misunderstands him but later regrets it when she finds out that Prabhu Adi has sold his beloved bike to buy new training equipment for her. Madhi then starts training with Prabhu Adi and develops feelings for him. On the day of a qualifying match, she reveals her feelings to Prabhu Adi, but he promptly rejects her. During the warm-up before the match, a now jealous Lux injures Madhi's hand, causing Madhi to lose the chance to the Olympics. Angry, Prabhu Adi thinks that Madhi lost intentionally again and throws her out of training camp. Dev takes advantage of the situation by calling Madhi to Delhi for a cultural exchange tournament and makes her fight with a heavyweight Russian boxer, Natalia, who knocks out Madhi in 0.8 seconds. A demotivated Madhi is then approached by Dev with an indecent proposal, to which she reacts by injuring him. Dev takes revenge by getting her arrested on false theft charges. Prabhu Adi comes to the rescue and bails her out by paying 1 lakh rupees. The junior court states that they would have to pay a considerably lower amount if Madhi had agreed to stay in jail for a few days. To this, Prabhu Adi states that he would have bailed her out even if he had to pay 1.5 lakh. He later takes Madhi to Delhi to get her a wildcard entry into the World Boxing Championship, to be held in Goa, 2 months later. Many people in the association, including Lux, accuse Madhi of offering sexual favors to Prabhu Adi. Ignoring all the accusations, Madhi works hard, enters the tournament representing India and goes on to win the semi-final. 1 hour before finals, Dev refuses to sign Madhi's boxer entry to the match and blackmails Prabhu Adi to resign immediately if he wants to see Madhi in the final, with the same Russian boxer, Natalia, who knocked her out in Delhi. Prabhu Adi resigns from his government job, and Madhi, who gets to fight in the final round, is dejected after learning about Prabhu Adi's resignation. She runs to the quarter allocated to Prabhu Adi and questions his decision. To which he replies that Madhi has to play for herself, him and thousands of other Indian girls who dream to enter the sports arena. A reluctant Madhi leaves for the match after stating that the fact Prabhu Adi resigned for her shows his love for her. In the match, she keeps losing points in the early rounds and gets badly injured before Prabhu Adi shows up at the stadium and indicates her to attack her opponent's arms to make her weak, as Genghis Khan did to his enemies. Madhi follows the game plan and knocks out the opponent with seconds to go in the final round. Dev quickly jumps into the ring to take the credit for training Madhi, but she heavily punches him and runs to Prabhu Adi. Madhi and Prabhu Adi hug each other, showing their emotional reunion. Prabhu Adi whispers to Madhi, "Meri Muhammad Ali."